Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS Gardens. In this video I'm going to be showing you something I do not that often, but when compost is just too much from the house, the kitchen scraps, I have to start burying. I don't want to buy a compost tumbler or anything like that. So I have to start burying the food and, carbon to match. So right here I have a lot of different types of food: eggshells, newspaper clippings, paper bags, egg cartons, fruit, etc. So the major key with this is to ensure you get at least a 50-50 on green to brown, live material to carbon material. What I also do is I add mycorrhiza and wood ash to this pile as well. I've done piles before without those, and they don't decompose as fast. I put a lot of coffee grounds as well. You can see some of the coffee grounds right here. I put a lot of coffee grounds, especially if you can get them free at your local coffee shop, to help attract earthworms. And also I like to put coffee grounds on the top of the mound to deter animals from digging in. So next I will be covering the mound with the soil and putting chickweed on top, ensuring that I get a big mound on top of this, so I don't want critters to dig through this mound. And later in this video I'm going to show you the week update on how this mound looks like. I'm going to dig it up and we're going to see what it looks like, and that's coming up. Okay, now we're about a week later, and here's the compost pile here. Lulu's still looking for squirrels across the fence or through the fence, and I'm digging through, and all I'm finding is a whole bunch of earthworms, eggs, and a little bit of paper left. There's nothing left. There's nothing left. There's more earthworms right there. I don't want to damage I don't want to hurt the earthworms, but there's nothing left. So this composted pretty quickly to nothing. I mean, you could tell right here there's an egg carton. That's going to take more time to break down than the eggshells, but there's no food anymore. There's no apple cores, there's nothing. So this is the second place I checked. I checked over here as well, right here where you can see the black spot. I checked over there because I know I put a whole bunch on in that area, but it did break down pretty quickly. Quite amazing. Now what I'm going to also do, very diluted, is fish emulsion. I'm gonna pour fish emulsion onto this bed, I guess, this compost bed. I'm not gonna make it really heavy dilution because I don't want it to smell, but I want to add more nutrients to this location because I'm going to use this compost in my garden, and I have a lot more food to add to this. So from now on, this will be my compost bed. So yeah, about a week, a little over a week. It did pretty well. Composted right down. When I was digging through here, I found maybe 20 earthworms, and then they scurried away. Happy gardening, everyone.